Elon Musk recently told a crowd of investors that we are approaching a future where human work becomes entirely optional. AI safety researchers like Roman Yampolsky have even shorter timelines, warning that we could see a 99% job loss rate as early as 2030. Historian Yuval Noah Harari envisions the emergence of a useless class, a demographic permanently excluded from the economic system because they lack market value. This means the technical skills you rely on to generate income today are projected to be obsolete in 5 years. This chart shows a startling contradiction. While average wages remain flat, AI-skilled workers command a 62% premium. Furthermore, while AI will displace 92 million roles, it will create 170 million others, a net gain of 78 million jobs by 2030. The economy is decoupling. Routine tasks are being phased out, while human uniqueness is rewarded with higher wages than ever before. Historically, safe technical paths like routine coding and data reporting are losing their market value. Artificial intelligence can now pass professional exams in law and medicine while writing functional software from simple prompts. Mark Cuban views AI as business leverage, a tool for early adopters to move faster and further than their competitors. Modern AI agents act as a synthesized VP of operations, data analyst, and legal counsel rolled into a single autonomous pipeline. Investor Michael Burry warns that a social revolution will arrive before we see any promised abundance. He argues the transition could break before millions of displaced workers can be absorbed. The infrastructure for this shift is built on hundreds of billions in corporate debt. Tech giants have nearly $500 billion in outstanding debt, with another $100 billion in planned borrowing to fund the AI data center build-out. This technological transition is jagged. AI systems can pass PhD-level science questions, yet they still suffer from hallucinations, generating outputs that sound fluent but are factually fabricated. This unreliability is why humans stay in the loop. Immediate total automation is a myth. Human oversight is the bridge required to navigate the transition toward 2030. When machines can generate flawless, standardized content for free, the value of being standard reaches zero. Computation and efficiency have become commodities. Value is shifting to radical creativity. This involves generating purely human, unpredictable expression and seeing connections that an AI trained on historical data would overlook. Soft skills like empathy, critical thinking, and ethical inquiry are the new hard currencies. This involves determining the long-term reason for building a product and its societal consequences. To survive the decoupling, workers must stop competing with machines on efficiency and computation. They must pivot entirely to leveraging their human distinctiveness. This diagram shows the K-shaped future. The economy grows overall, but the workforce splits into extreme winners and losers, moving in opposite directions. This mirrors the 1990s, when PC and internet skeptics fell behind early adopters who experimented aggressively. In this transition, those who wait for proof of the shift before adapting become the bottom leg of the K. The top leg belongs to the AI integrators. These workers thrive by using AI to automate mundane tasks, allowing them to focus exclusively on high-level strategy and human-centered design. This creates a compounding advantage. Every month an early adopter uses AI to move faster, the gap between them and a skeptic widens exponentially. The immediate threat is a human competitor using AI to respond to clients. The useless class awaits those who try to compete with machines on standardization. To win the 2030 economy, you must automate your routines and deploy your radical creativity. Tech leaders are publicly forecasting a world where human labor becomes entirely optional. The transition is accelerating. AI is already absorbing junior analytical and coding roles that were once the foundation of the corporate ladder. Modern autonomous agents act as a VP of operations, a data analyst, and legal counsel, rolled into a single software layer. Market demand is collapsing for workers who simply translate business requirements into standard code or basic reports. In a world where an algorithm handles the execution, we have to identify exactly where a human worker can still command high income. Securing future wealth requires moving past the execution of routine tasks to become the architect of the new digital infrastructure. This starts with the AI integrator. These specialists assess an organization's messy workflows and architect the custom agents required to automate them. AI skills currently command massive wage premiums because algorithms require human orchestration to deliver measurable business results. But an algorithm is only as effective as its fuel, massive, pristine datasets that the AI cannot verify on its own. This is why data scientists have pivoted from simple reporting to building complex data-as-a-service pipelines that keep the engines running. Granting these systems autonomous power over asset transfers and trading operations creates a massive, vulnerable attack surface for hackers. A single exploit in these interconnected networks could allow a cyber attack to halt a smart factory or irreversibly damage critical national infrastructure. This exposure explains why cybersecurity experts list these defensive roles as the most critical survival skills of the decade. The digital core of the 2030 economy effectively collapses without a human defense line to build, feed, and protect it. All that compute power depends on a physical reality. Training these models consumes staggering amounts of energy and water. Renewable energy is our fourth pillar. Algorithms can optimize a power grid, but they cannot autonomously redesign physical infrastructure or navigate a climate crisis. Eco-fuel scientists and circular economy specialists command high salaries by managing the environmental constraints that digital AI cannot solve. The fifth pillar is the integration of this technology with human biology and social systems. An AI can flag an anomaly on a medical scan, but human clinicians remain essential for applying clinical context, ethics, and nuanced judgment. Irreplaceable value lies in anchoring digital intelligence to the biological and environmental constraints of the real world. What is the master skill that connects an AI integrator, a cyber detective, and a bioethicist? This framework from the DQ Institute points to a core competency: systems thinking. Value has migrated away from isolated data processing toward the orchestration of complex interactions between human and algorithmic systems. The highest-paid professionals are now those hired to catch what the AI gets wrong and bridge the gap between code and consequence. To thrive in 2030, you don't compete with the machine's output. You become the human architect who directs its purpose.